You're finally here.
The bus was late.
I was getting worried.
Sorry for the wait.
It's very hot today.
I need some shade.
Drink some water first.
Pass me the bottle.
Is it cold enough?
Yes, it feels great.
Look at the lake.
The water is blue.
Do you see ducks?
They are so cute.
Want to feed them?
I have some bread.
Throw it slowly now.
They are coming fast.
This is very peaceful.
I love this park.
I missed this silence.
Me too, truly.
Are you still busy?
Work never really ends.
Put the phone away.
Okay, it's all yours.
What are you thinking?
Just about our days.
Remember our first date?
I was so nervous.
You wore that red dress.
And you were late.
Time flies so fast.
Yet we are here.
Should we walk now?
Let's go to the bridge.
Careful, it's slippery.
Hold my hand tight.
The view is better here.
The sun is falling.
Take a photo of me.
Wait, stay right there.
Did it come out well?
You look beautiful, always.
Let's sit here again.
The bench is cold.
Do you feel hungry?
Maybe some street food?
I'll go and check.
Bring some spicy nuts.
Here, take the packet.
It smells so good.
The park is closing.
People are leaving now.
It's getting dark fast.
I see the moon.
Ready to go home?
A few more minutes.
I'll drop you off.
That would be nice.
Next weekend again?
Definitely. Same place.
Take care of yourself.
You too. Bye now.